Self-assembly allows atoms, molecules, or nanoparticles to organize themselves into ordered structures by reaching equilibrium states. The process is spontaneous, but not random. Conditions such as solvent type, acidity or pH, and temperature strongly influence the outcome. By carefully controlling the environment, we can guide self-assembly toward specific morphology, whether that is spherical micelles, lamellar domains, or three-dimensional colloidal crystals. This makes self-assembly one of the most versatile and scalable bottom-up nanofabrication tools. Several fundamental forces drive self-assembly and bottom-up nanofabrication. First is the surface energy. Atoms and molecules arrange to minimize high-energy interfaces, leading to phenomena like micelle formation and thin film growth. Electrostatics govern attraction and repulsion between charged species, strongly influencing colloidal stability. Hydrogen bonding provides directional stabilization, critical in DNA base pairing and protein folding. Finally, van der Waals interactions, though individually weak, are universal and collectively significant in holding molecular assemblies together. The interplay of these forces explains why nanoscale systems spontaneously form ordered structures. Colloidal self-assembly is one of the most striking demonstrations of bottom-up nanofabrication. Spherical colloidal particles suspended in a solution can spontaneously organize into ordered three-dimensional lattices. These periodic arrays, known as photonic crystals, have the ability to manipulate light much like semiconductors manipulate electrons. A beautiful natural example is the gemstone opal, which derives its iridescent colors from the ordered arrangement of silica nanospheres acting as a photonic crystal. In the lab, scientists mimic this principle to fabricate photonic materials for lasers, sensors, and displays. Block copolymers consist of two or more polymer chains covalently bonded together, but chemically incompatible. Because the blocks cannot fully separate like oil and water, they undergo microphase separation instead. This results in ordered nanoscale domains such as lamellae, cylinders, and more complex structures like gyroids. What makes block copolymer self-assembly especially valuable is the scale. Domain sizes are typically only 10 to 50 nanometers, far smaller than what can be achieved using conventional photolithography. As a result, block copolymers are increasingly explored as templates for nanopatterning in semiconductors and nanomanufacturing industries. In many self-assembly systems, order can be limited by defects or grain boundaries. To overcome this, we use templated self-assembly, where a substrate pattern directs the organization of block copolymer or colloids. In graphoepitaxy, surface topography such as shallow trenches or groups provides physical guidance, forcing domains to align. In chemoepitaxy, chemical patterns like alternating hydrophobic and hydrophilic strips induce selective wetting of polymer blocks, leading to defect-free registration. Templated self-assembly combines the precision of lithography with the nanoscale resolution of bottom-up methods. Like in crystals, self-assembled nanostructures are never perfectly ordered. Defects are inevitable. These defects can include dislocations, grain boundaries, or vacancies in colloidal or polymer assemblies. While defects often disrupt long-range order, they are not always harmful. In fact, defects can be harnessed for specific functions. For example, defect engineering in nanocatalysts creates active sites that enhance reactivity. Similarly, control disorder in photonic crystals can improve light scattering for sensing application. So, rather than eliminating defects entirely, nanofabrication often seeks to control and exploit them. Self-assembly is the bridge between chemistry and nanotechnology. it transforms simple molecular interactions into functional nanoscale architectures. At its core, this process allows atoms, molecules, and nanoparticles to spontaneously organize into ordered structures with precisely controlled optical, electronic, and surface properties. Instead of carving patterns as in top-down methods, self-assembly lets materials build themselves through thermodynamic and chemical guidance. These principles underpin a wide range of technologies. Ordered nanoparticle arrays enable ultra-dense data storage. Periodic nanostructures form photonic materials that control light, and patterned molecular films create templates for sensors and electronic surfaces. Together, they illustrate how self-assembly converts fundamental chemistry into practical nanotechnology, offering an elegant, efficient route to functional devices.